Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a troll from Elder Ring. There's a few different trolls in there, so I don't know. I'm just gonna put the title of this as a general troll. So it's gonna be more of an upper body thing. So let's get started. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a straight line across for kind of the eye area. Go down below, over here. So that's gonna be kind of the cavernous area of the eyes, pretty much. It's gonna be like a lot of dark. So it looks like sunglasses pretty much. Gonna go down here, maybe like draw like a couple of lines right there for like a nub of like the nose area. Line here, very gaunt. Out, down. It's got kind of a horn coming out of his cheek. Out, down over here, same thing. Down over here for another horn, and down over here. I think it's a horn. It might be tendril, but pretty sure it's a horn when I played it there. Down for the chin area. Curve underneath. And gonna throw like a square right there for the face area, really. He's got just kind of everything is just cavernistic. Line over here for the cheekbone area. Go up for the head. He's kind of wearing like a helmet in a way. Line, line. Let's go over here. So outside of this, he's got a lot of stuff around him, almost like a crown, or basically what he has is he has all these plants. It looks like all these twigs. At least that's what it looks like to me. I'm not sure. It's obviously influenced by like trees or whatever, whoever designed it. Go back over here, over here, over here. And it's like a sun. It's going to be around him. It's almost like a scarecrow or something. If you played Elden Ring, let me know. Like, absolutely say hi to me in the comments section. The other thing I want you to do is I want you to press like, and I will kind of... Basically, the channel lives on likes. So, very, very, very helpful if you press that like button. Absolutely press that like button. It's going to be easy, simple, and it keeps this channel going. Because this channel is only a seasonal channel, but outside of the season, like right now, very, very different. Very, very different. So absolutely hit that like button on this video and any other video. So it's just like a sun. You're putting all these little twig shapes out like the sun. It almost looks like hair, but it's not. Go over here, out to the shoulder, out over here, curve down. Out over here, down for the arm. Over here on this side, line, shoulder, down. Over here, down. For the clavicle area, line over here. Kind of the clavicle's that bone at the top there. So the body over here is going to be more like wiggly, like zombie-like. And he's going to have the heart kind of on the outside of his chest. Over here, we're going to see the bottom of the rib cage. And now we're going to complete the side of the rib cage. Down over here. Down over here. And we're going to draw the hand right there. Just kind of a semblance of a hand. He's got this kind of goofy zombie hand, which you can kind of just like that. It looks like a fork. Going down over here. Down over here. It's got a cavernous kind of area right there. It's like almost like his stomach is open. And you could also draw maybe some rib cage stuff coming down here. Out here and down. But we're going to vignette that. It's like, okay, it's going to go down into nothing. Down over here, curve, down over here. And then let's go over here and put some more stuff on the heart. So curve, 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 you know, on the heart. Line over here. And over here. Over here. And maybe some darkness around this area. Alright, and we're going to just vignette it at this point. At this point, it's just going to like fade away slowly. And there you go. That is it. That is a troll. Very different kind of tutorial, because in this one, you can kind of keep going with, he's got like a zombie body. You can kind of just keep going with like the little detail stuff, like the curved lines here, over here, over here. You can just kind of keep it going. And there you go. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Talk to you later.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff, about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons, so you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.